Hi there. This unit will cover one of the most important and easy concepts in database management, that is normalization. Usually, term normalize means to bring system to normal or a standard condition. Here, database normalization will organize table structure in an efficient manner by reducing anomalies and redundancy. Now, we have several normal forms, which include 1NF first normal form, 2NF second normal form, 3NF third normal form. Also, EKNF elementary key normal form, BCNF voice code normal form, 4NF fourth normal form, ETNF essential tuple normal form. Further, 5NF fifth normal form, 6NF sixth normal form, and DKNF domain key normal form. Here, in this unit, we will learn three most important normal forms, which are first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form. Now, to make table normalize in first form, we have four things to consider. 1. Columns should be atomic. 2. Table should have primary key. 3. No repeating groups. And 4. No redundant columns. Also, we have conditions for second normal form, as there should not be partial dependencies in a table. Now, when it comes to third normal form, there should not be transitive dependency in database table. Always remember, normal forms help in improving table structure. If you still find hard to digest normalization, let's work out an example to normalize a table. Make sure you work out example, else it would be really confusing. First, create table research work. Here, we have columns, author ID, research ID, author name, author address, research title, published date, published time, published date time, co-author 1, co-author 2, and co-author 3. Also, set primary key as fields, author ID, and research ID. Here, we need two columns as primary key to check partial dependency in second normal form. Next, make sure modules, Apache, and MySQL are running in XAMPP control panel. Now, open web browser. Navigate to localhost. Here, we have Apache dashboard. Next, click phpMyAdmin menu. phpMyAdmin is an interface to manage database tables. Here, we will have list of databases and tables available. Now, move to our table research work. Next, click structure option. Here, we will find entire columns of table research work. Next, find option, improve table structure. Here, we have step-by-step guide to normalize our table. Let's start normalizing our table. First, select till, third step of normalization, and click go. Now, we have first step, make all columns atomic. Here, we can split column address as city and country. Also, select author address and split into two. Here, split address as city and country. Next, select no columns and move next. As we have already set primary keys. Here, we will be directed to third step. Next, select repeating groups. Here, we have columns co-author 1, co-author 2, and co-author 3, which are repeating. Select those columns and click Done. Now, selected columns will be moved to New Table. Let's name new table as Author Details. Next, select No Repeating. Further, check for redundant columns. Here, we have Published Date and Publish Time. But combining date, time, we have already result in column Publish Date Time. Here select Publish Date Time. Also, remove selected columns. Now, our table research work is normalized in first normal form. Next, we need to check partial dependencies. We can find partial dependencies if table has more than one column as primary key field. Here, each column may not be directly related to both primary keys. Here, select columns based on their dependencies. Once selected, click Done. Thus, partially depending columns will be moved to separate tables. Here we have author ID, author name, city, and country moved to new table. Also, research ID and research title will be moved to another new table. Thus, we have successfully made table according to conditions in second normal form. Finally, we have third normal form. Here, check for columns whose values combined together are sufficient to determine value of the column. Now, to make table in 3 normal form, make sure that table is in second normal form and all columns other than primary key are dependent on primary key. Next, check columns which depend on other. Thus, we have completed all 3 forms of normalization. At first, we had a single table with 11 rows. After normalization, we have 4 tables with data stored in a good improved manner. Even though it seems a bit complex, all forms are easy to understand. Please do work out example with a large table in PHP MyAdmin. Thank you for taking this unit.